Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Brigitta, and welcome in this week's Craftmix video. I have a disclaimer to start with because, yeah, my hands, I'm sorry, but they really look awful. I did deep clean my kitchen this weekend. My husband is doing a lot of painting in our house, and I did deep clean my kitchen. And yeah, I use really strong cleaning liquids for that, and yeah, they hurt my hands, but that doesn't matter, that will heal. And my kitchen is spotless right now in every corner, so yeah, I was really happy. Yeah, I did not buy a lot this week. I went only to Action and to the Vibra. I do have an order coming in from bol.com. It's an online store here in the Netherlands where you can buy anything from your books, stuff for your household, TVs, clothing, well, anything. But that of course also includes craft items. And one of the things I ordered there, and I cannot wait till that comes in, is the We Are Memory Keepers punch board for the gift bag. So yes, really happy. It was on my wish list for quite some time, and I can't wait to start creating the bags with that. So yeah, but I still have to wait. It comes this week. So yeah. The first thing that I bought at the Action this week, you are already looking at it in this video, and that are new placemats for Easter. I really like this one. They have 3 or 4 different patterns that you can choose from. 2 of them were really cute and bright, but yeah, they were really for families with kids. And there were 2 different ones that were for adults as well, in my opinion. There's this one and one with beautiful bright Easter colors, but I thought these were gorgeous for our house. So yeah, that's why I bought these. These are plastic, not the best quality. If you use these for a few months, they get scratched a lot, and then I am using them for crafting if I want to paint or something. But for a few months and for the holidays, this is perfect. They come with 4 in a pack, and they only cost, I believe, 99€. So for that money, yeah. I bought 2 packs because we are with 6 in my household. My husband and me, our children and their daughter, or their boyfriend and girlfriend. So that's why I needed to buy 2 packs of them. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. I really love the color. I am crazy about yellow. After pink, it's my second favorite color. So yeah, happy to find those. And what I also bought there was this wrapping paper. Yeah, really cute with pink stripes and lemons. And I have a spring swap and a lot of birthdays coming up the upcoming months. So I thought this would be cute to use for that. The last crafty item I bought there was these. And this is a container from Avec with glass beads. They are mixed colors and mixed sizes. I can open them for you. I can't because the tape is still on it. I hope I can get it out. Well, I can't. It's really hard with my acrylic nails. But you can see it. They come with several colors and in several sizes. So you have really small ones and really big ones. And of course I do have white pearls, but I didn't have black and this beautiful dark gray. So yeah, I have several containers with other color mixes and I use them a lot. So yes, they will come in very handy. The only other thing I bought this week is this. I was at the Vibra store, and well, they couldn't make me happier because I found shreds. And I already told that in previous videos, and I think you will all know that here in the Netherlands you cannot find shreds in any store, and especially not in these cute colors. You can buy them online in bulk for shops, etc., but then they are plain white or just pink, and they come in such large amounts. You have to order them in large amounts. I can do that my whole life with that bag, so I do not order there. And yeah, they do not have these cute colors, and now they did. So I took all the 3 colors home with me because I can use this all year, of course, and not only for Easter. So I was a happy camper when I saw this. And it was, well, if you have the shelves with the Easter stuff, and they didn't have a lot, this was shoved in on the lowest shelf. So I was happy I saw it, because yeah, not always I pay really good attention to anything if I am in a hurry, and I was that time. So yeah, what I also saw there and did not buy, and well, today I am regretting it, were the styrofoam eggs. And at that time when I saw them, I didn't think about a project to make with them, so I thought, why should I take them home? But today I saw a video from Jen, Strawberry Cream 39. I think you all know her. If you are watching, Jen, hello. I can't wait to receive your package. I know it's on its way. I have to wait. I'm so curious. But yeah, she did a tutorial with styrofoam eggs, and she covered them with beautiful fabrics and then embellished them with rickrack, with buttons, with pins. They are gorgeous, and it really looked easy to do. It's a great tutorial, and if I remember, I will link the tutorial in the description box below, because the outcome of that is so cute. So if I go to the Vibra store this week or next week, I am for sure taking them home with me, if they are still there. So I hope so. That was everything I bought this week. Yeah, that's all. And now I'm going to show you some projects that I did. I am on an embellishment kick for Easter and spring. I did make several things. I cannot show everything today, but I want to show you the real Easter embellishments that I made, because they are so cute. I think I'm really curious what you all think about them. And what I used are these stickers. You have seen me haul these a few weeks ago at Action. Foam stickers, 200 pieces, so that's a lot. And yeah, they are so adorable, with the most beautiful colors for spring and Easter. I really wanted to make something with it, and I decided on making dangles with them. And look how cute they are. I think they are really cute. I used a clasp that I bought at AliExpress, I think last year. And I used several beads from my stash. On the sticker I only put a hole in it with my Memory Keeper's hole punch. And I added a paper bow that I made with a die from my stash, and a small little rhinestone from AliExpress, and I made a dangle with beautiful beads. This is a glass bead that comes in a container like this. The candy beads from Ali, and the beautiful gold beads were gifted to me by Chantal. Hi Chantal, if you're watching, in an embellishment box for our Maggie Holmes garden party swap this summer. So yeah, I really liked how these ones came out. I did think I ordered also the colored chain, but I didn't. It was a pack with only the split rings in the same colors, but I did not look really well. They are really thick, and they cannot go through these holes from the mini clasps, so I cannot use them for that. So that's why I used the gold head pins for it. So yeah, I thought this came out so adorable, and you can hang this on any project, of course, whatever you want, or on a keychain or whatever. This is the second one I did. Oh, and what I am doing different, if I want to recreate these again, is, yeah, look, I only used one sticker, so the back is white. Well, it's fine, of course, but they are so, how do you call that? They are exactly the same. So what I want to do, if I do want to make more, I'm going to put two stickers back to back, so they look on both sides evenly beautiful. So yeah, I regretted that afterwards. And yeah, this is just a different color scheme with the same kind of layout on the beads. This is an acrylic bead from Action, and for the rest it's just the same. And in those packs were also cute chicks. So yeah, I could not leave them behind, of course. They needed to be put on a dangle as well. And I added the same paper bow. Here I use an acrylic bead. No, it's a clay bead from my stash. A flower, so cute. I used a spacer and another bead. And I don't know where I've got those from. I do think that these were all gifted to me. And here was another one. In purple. I really like this purple as well. So sweet. So yeah, that are the dangles. Then I made rosettes. I have some pre-made rosettes in my box that I do every 4 or 5 months. I am die cutting out a whole lot of rosettes, and my husband glues them together for me because I really don't like to do that. And in my stash I have them for the rest of the year or for the half year. And yeah, I really wanted to use those stickers on them as well. So I layered them up with a flower that I die cut out of the beautiful paper that I'm using. Well, I'm using different papers, but one of them is this Hip Hop Hooray from Simple Stories. I love the color schemes of this. And yeah, I die cut it out a flower for the background. And with gold mirror cardstock, I die cut it out a wreath, a really small one. And I added, I hope my camera picks it up, some rhinestones on them. And for the rest I decorated it with foam stickers. These are really old from my stash. And here I added a shaker bit on top. This sticker is from a doodlebug sheet that I have from a spring collection. Added a paper flower and a flat back flower. And yeah, I thought it came out really cute. So that's this one. The other one, yeah, just the same layout. I used some stickles here in the center of the flowers a little bit. Different flower there, but for the rest it's almost the same. So yeah, really like them. You can put these on a lot of different projects. And then I also use the bunnies, of course. And first I want to show you my favorite one, and that's this one. I see you get a lot of glare from these. Yeah, now it's a little bit less. Look, the bunny is so cute. I really love them. And I put an acrylic bow in her hair, or between her ears. One of the last ones I have, bought them I think 2-3 years back on Ellie. I use them a lot, and yeah, I'm almost through, so I think I have to repurchase them. What I really like about this one, the layout is exactly the same as the other ones, but I put some shaker clay pieces in the background of the flowers. Can you see it? I thought it looked so cute in the background, and I do believe they are from, I think from KS Crafts. Yeah, I'm quite sure. Again, sentiments from Doodlebug, and yeah, the same stickers. So that's this one, and the last one I did is this one. Exactly the same layout again. I didn't have the other bows anymore in the correct color, so I added this one. It's also really cute, I think, a birdie one. And yeah, I really loved how these embellishments came out. You could have seen them already. I did show them on my Instagram page, I believe. Well, the last things I want to show to you are again dangles. I have these clay beads in my stash from Easter eggs. So I really wanted to use them again, or also on a dangle. And I used some cute tassels from my stash. I added a fabric bow I bought a few months back on Ellie. And I added just some beads from my stash. I did not put a clasp on it. You can put this on everything. I do not know where I'm going to use them for, but yeah, I thought they looked really cute. And here's the last one. Same layout again, but with different colors. So yeah, that's all I want to show to you today. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done that. Go check out Jen's video on the beautiful fabric Easter eggs that she made. And I hope you will be back for my next video. That will probably be Easter and spring embellishments again. Yeah, I think so. And yeah, I hope you all have a great rest of the week. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.